On March 10, 2023, there was an illegal event held at 10,138 Garvey Avenue, Unit E, Almonte, CA 91733. The tenant, David Faria, was subleasing his nightclub space, which was illegally altered and set up at a warehouse, to an event organizer. They had sold 150 tickets at $15 each. The attendees were mostly minors. The event did not have a permit to hold a large event, nor a license to sell alcohol. Despite this, online listings stated that alcohol would be available. The event had live music and exotic dancing performances, which they didn't have permit or passing safety inspection to have a large event. At the event, they were selling alcohol, drugs and marijuana, also without licenses. The landlord tried to stop and prevent more events. However, EMPDSKD SNUK was not interested in crime prevention, but only will perform law enforcement by coming to do a bust and arrest. Since the police and ABC are not actively preventing these underground warehouse raids by charging the tenant David Faria for reckless public endangerment. So these outlaws became even daring and moving these events from place to place. However, the warehouse, situated on the second floor with only one entrance, and lacking egress exits and windows for escape, presents serious safety hazards. The presence of high-voltage stage lights poses a fire risk, compounded by the tenant's inadequate preparation, with fire extinguishers and an alarm system for large events. Additionally, the space is over capacity and lacks proper ventilation or oxygen supply. Due to the absence of windows or air conditioning, the men's bathroom, designed for single-person use, was permanently shut down after being overwhelmed by a crowd of 150 attendees. Because the authority is not protecting public safety, the landlord Tricia Liu is looking for the 150 attendees to sue the city of Almonte and police. The MPD had allowed the tenant to continue to have more unpermitted events. This is the public safety endangerment done by the police force. When the landlord Tricia Liu was forced to take things into her own hands by removing these illegal alteration, EMPD had stopped her and wrongfully committed PC number 420 and trespassing. Tricia Liu hoped to find these 150 victims and class action suit attorneys to file a civil case against the EMPD so they can change to a more proactive position. Public safety is more important than the tenant's civil right protection. The tenant David Faria had prior eviction case at Temple City. He's a repeated offender. Instead, the MPD refused to investigate the tenant but targeting the landlord. So the landlord could not remove these illegal alterations from the warehouse. If you are one of the 150 attendees or know them, or you are a class action suit attorney, please contact Tricia Liu at 626-2139393 or email sim yahoo.com.